Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for the projection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we brought for you the wireless charger convertible. This is IQ charger, this is a wireless one, and this is the latest model from Samsung. We're gonna unbox and talk a little bit faster about it because we have another video gonna show you how to figure the fake from the original one. Follow my videos so you will understand that you will see that I download one. This one have two positions. See here the IQ. This package is American package, okay, and this is also Vietnamese package. See here down there, you will find. I don't know why I opened the flashlight and recording is not comfortable. Here the right samsung.com.us, because you know there is a two kinds of this box. There is this box that he have including USB cable and charger, and there is another one that he's just just wireless charge. Is more cheaper. This is for Vietnam and for the US, okay? We're gonna show you here. It's written made in Vietnam, I guess. Yeah, packaging in Vietnam. Okay, this is original book 2017. It's working with the Galaxy S, Samsung American. Okay, here's the wireless power adapter. Anyway, they say here easy. Wait, I will show you. Yeah, easy converted your wireless charge from the bed to stand, which is mean like this. Okay, use the honestly the flashlight is bothering. Use the stand of the road notification call without. It just mean that you can make call. You can use him without without from the charge. He holding well. Here's faster charger speed 9 times. Call for device. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. You can make calls during the charge. You can even play games, watch movie, and do everything. Blah blah blah. Okay, I like this. See how cool packaging. It's you can carry him, you know. Okay, let's open. Okay, what I like on this. Oops. Oh, what they give me? Convertible. Well, we have here the cable, the USB cable here. Okay. And we have the adapter, yeah, fast charge adapter, fast charge. Let's see, it's Samsung, made in Vietnam also. That's why they give me this. And this is the fast charge. Oh, it's made from skin. Oh, really gorgeous. Wow, it looks cool. Okay, guys, I wanted to tell you something. There is another kind of this, just the charger only. You will find them in white box like this. Okay, white box like this size, without this, just like this. And this is white and have here Samsung plastic. Okay, it's also original. Okay, but just this one is with charger and the other one without. I chose this one because it looks more gorgeous, and I will have two in any case. One for the speaker wise. I have a lot of things to charge. I have my smartwatch, I have my this, my that, my Samsung Icon gear. Anyway, what I'm gonna tell you that listen, this is 3500 megahertz. Okay, the battery is more. I test him in S8 Plus. He say 1 hour and a half to completely full charge. Okay, no, sorry, 1 hour, 1 hour to full, from 3% to 100. He took 1 hour. Okay, Samsung it would take 1 hour and a half because this is 3500 megahertz. Okay, thanks for box. And let me show you guys. He's okay. You can charge like this, and you can let him stand. Okay, like this. Then just 1 minute because I'm holding phone. Okay, guys, we plug him in, and we have here the sticker. Okay, let's move this. Here's the I'm showing you here how to figure the original from the fake, from the sticker, and from his white, and from the fan that he have inside. Okay. Now we plug him in, he lighting blue, then he turn off, and now we will put this bad boy here. Okay, and now we will have, you have to put him exactly in the middle that he will charge. Okay, now is charging, I guess, or no? 1 minute. Okay, let's try like this. Say 55 minutes to full charge, and this is 69%. and let's try like this. It's say okay, 69%, 55 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, if I put him like this here, he's not charging. If I put him a little bit like this, not charging. So in the middle here, he should charge. Wait. Guys, I want to tell you something. I'm doing a sofa video. That's why he's shaking, you know. He should be like this. That is, yeah. But I mean, it's kind of annoying, to be honest with you. Okay, I mean, necessarily that he's stuck, or I can't understand why is like this. Why is okay? I should. It's just should, you know what? It should be I put like this and directly he's stuck, you know. Okay, I know that I'm on sofa now on like this, but I don't know. He's really bothering, you know. Let's put him on the ground and see. Okay, maybe the cable is bothering. Okay. I don't know. It's not charging. Like this, he's charging. Okay, and like this. Maybe I done something wrong. Or maybe like this. Okay, he not stand like this. It's not comfortable, to be honest with you guys. I don't know. Yeah, see now start charge. Why? I should just stick this shit and start charge. I don't know. To be honest with you, this is disappointing from Samsung. Oh, too late. No, not he not stuck here and see. See, he go like this, or he go like this. No, this is not comfortable, honestly, from Samsung at all. I'm not with them. Okay, like this, he's charging. Okay, like this, he's charging. Okay, but like vertical way is bothering. See, why he not charge? Or he slowly to reach the he start charge, but he's slow. I don't think so. Here, yeah. Oh, so slowly to receiving notification. Let me see again. No, this is really disappointing. Oh, thanks God. All this time? No. This is actually I'm blaming Samsung for this. Here and here down here is not comfortable here. It's knees or he not stuck and he not do. I'm not satisfied about this point. So like this is more comfortable. Yeah. And if I put him upside down, he gonna charge? No, only through the NFC here. I don't know, guys. I will do anyway. I'm gonna do another video about how to figure the fake from the original. It's sexy and it's beautiful and skin, and so you know it's so beautiful if you put him in your office like this. You got me? If you put him in your office or if you put him in your home, even really, it's really beautiful. But just the one thing I object about that why they make it like this. I mean, it's not why he not stuck now. Why he not charging? Why necessarily have to push him by my hand like this that he start? Yeah, I have to push him. No, I'm not satisfied about this point. Not so cool from Samsung. But anyway, you know, guys, I not compliment anything. If you have issue, I'm gonna say. If you have something nice, I'm gonna say. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see another video how to figure the fake from the original. And there is another video I'm gonna make it about the Dixie station and what is the relation between this one and Dixie station. I'm gonna show you what's the cool thing between them. And I guess no one mentioned this before in the other videos. What's the relation between them? And there's another video about the virtual reality with the S9 Plus. How's the difference? Is more cooler than S8 Plus or no? So thanks for watching, and we're gonna see you again in other videos, and peace. And don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up or put thumbs down for this issue, you know. Put thumbs down in my video. Come on, block my day. Make my day, baby. Make my day. And I hope for everyone peaceful and a lot of money, as I always wish. Peace. Bye.